What's up, Throdle fam? This is Josh, your host with Throdle, and I'm here with Jer with this sick wide-body S2000. Tell us a little bit about this car, man.
Yeah, man, it's just a complete car, all-around build. That's what I was trying to achieve, and do it in the cleanest way as I can.
I know you were telling me a little bit earlier, so there's a bunch of wires in this thing. You were able to tuck a lot of these wires in there and hide it away to give it a cleaner engine bay.
Yeah, definitely. So I'd like to thank my guys at K-Powered Motorsports. They helped me build the engine at the last minute, 2 months prior to SEMA. They took the job, and you know, we did a bunch of custom work, repainted the engine bay, wire tuck, but not everything, purposely because we want to get to the wires if we needed to do something with the car, you know?
This thing has a huge turbo on this thing. So what kind of power is this thing pushing?
This is a 900 horsepower turbo. First of all, thanks to turbokits.com and Ultimate Racing and Full Blown Motorsports. It's a 900 horsepower turbo. We haven't dyno tuned it yet. We will after SEMA, however, so we got that planned out.
And this thing's running E85, right?
E85, full new complete fuel system in there from Full Blown.
That's awesome. So this used to be wrapped and then you painted it.
Yes, it's a Mustang Shelby Gray. So it's the lightest gray that I could ever go with, but I did that on purpose because the car's wild and the color is what tones it down.
So there's all kinds of carbon fiber on this thing as well. I know that the roof is carbon fiber. That's custom, right?
The roof, that's from Ballet Sports. That takes a whole year now to get a roof like that.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy. And so there's air suspension on this thing as well so that you don't scrape that super, super low front end, right?
Yeah, it's a custom cup kit, Umbrella Motorsports.
Man, this is one of the best JDM cars I've seen here at SEMA this year. Awesome, awesome build. Definitely check Jer out on Instagram and definitely check him out on the Throdle app as well and see more of his build and more of his progress. Awesome. Thank you, man, so much.
Man.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.